love your shoulder flower. We gotta beat the rain. So we made a Fort Pastor here. Hello, John and Elle. We're here in the middle of the Acadiana Park at Fort Pastor. How do you like your fort? Yeah, here we go. I'm trying to go hunt something. So. Here we are in Acadiana Park, and here we have a bunch of, I think these are lion mushrooms. There's a whole bunch of like stuff that's online about mushrooms. So if you come to Acadiana Park, all on the backside, you have lion mushrooms.
John, you want to take a bite?
Here, pick one. Show it to the camera. Here we are at Elle's Beauty Salon, just getting our beauty on. Elle, tell us about your specials this week for your...
So we have the nice haircut of the year. As you see, the haircut is 60 for your looks. The baseball scene look is...
Good for baseball, because we're going to baseball today.
Yeah. And also...
Elle's Salon is gorgeous. We love Elle's Salon.
5 stars.
Highly recommend. And you can take a nap with the cat. 5 stars. 5 stars.
The waiting room has a TV.
Ooh, the waiting room has a TV and sodas.
But we have a refrigerator down.
Oh, we have a refrigerator. That's right. Forgot about that part. And it comes with a free nose trimming.
Yeah.
She's excited about that one.
Wait, Dad.
Okay. Now, you have a superpower? I don't believe it. She can open up doors with the wave of her hand. Oh my goodness. She's going to do it again. Watch this. All right, now, wave your hands. No way. Wow. Elle, you did it. Unbelievable. All right, we're signing you up for Hogwarts. Hogwarts summer this summer.